Hi! In front of me is VIVO X90 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode on this VIVO. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll all the way down to access shortcuts and accessibility. Now scroll all the way down again and tap on one-handed. In order to activate one-handed mode, click on this gray sweater next to access mini screen using gesture. Then follow all of those instructions. You can bring the small screen out by sliding inward from the edge of the screen and then sliding out of the screen. So when I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to resize it, click on this icon at the top left corner and change its size however you wish to. In order to go back from this mode, click on X at the top right corner instead. In order to disable one-handed mode completely, tap on the same, now blue sweater. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!